Hi guys, welcome to my channel, In the Travel Life of Danielle. On my first flight off my home island of Jamaica, I met a very lovely middle-aged woman who told me that that flight I was about to board would be my first flight of many. We then prayed and we went our separate ways. Of course, I thought she was crazy because I was a broke student on my first flight at the age of 23 going to study. Where am I going to get that money to travel? Even though I didn't believe what she said, I was never able to stop thinking about it. It was as if she had evoked my travel bug and I wanted to see the world. I genuinely wanted to see the world. 10 years later, I'm documenting my trips, my experiences on food, culture, languages, and people. I'm not always on airplane jetting off around the world, but on occasions when I do, I learn a whole heap, and that's what I'll be sharing with you. There are amazing places and things to learn on this beautiful earth we all call home. Look around you, dig a little bit deeper. There might be gems just around you that are waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching this video. Please join the family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome.